right now to Bagwere road at the hill where Kony started his ritual of mobilizing people and establishing his ground to begin launching war on the government.
Chief, this is my wife.
Okay.
Her name is Tina.
Thank you, mother. Thank you.
Jimmy? Is his name?
Yes.
He's the chief.
Yeah.
So we are standing here, and this region is called, what is it called here?
This we call Odek South County.
Odek
South County.
South County is
Yes.
where we are, and this
where the place of Kony.
this is the place of Joseph Kony, where he was raised, and I'm standing here today with the chief
of Frank
of the entire region, and we're really glad that he has received us today and getting to help and arrange for us to go to the mountain.
Many lives have been lost here. Many people displaced. There have been lack of education, people dying, lack of good medication, and the generation of 20 years is having a real problem to settle them.
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it.
It's okay, you're doing it.
We can now go.
And so it is told us many times that throughout the war, he would return here when he felt like he needed more power.
Yes, that's what had been happening. Kony, wherever Kony want to empower the spirit, he would come this way and go and do the ritual where we are going to see. There's a small cave where water gather itself, and this is where he come. He do the sacrifice. He believed that by coming again, he gain power. Then whenever he's taking up, he will scoop that water and some piece of stone, he move with it toward wherever he's going to fight.
Exactly. Can get it, eh?
In this village is a historical place where the 20 years war of Joseph Kony in northern Uganda began from. This man could sacrifice here to be initiated with the evil spirits and bring animals, bulls, piglets, and even human sacrifice. And right here in this water was his source of power. And this is where Uganda has suffered the results of this war for 20 years, having many orphans in the country, having many widows in the country, and much more destruction made to this country right from this mountain. This was a mountain of sacrifice for the Lord's Resistance Army in Uganda.
Like me personally, my dad has been killed by the rebel when I was 5 years old. They came at night and they found us when we were sleeping, and they just get only my father and they killed him.
So you managed to escape with your mother?
Yeah. We are living in a world of forgiveness. If not, really, it will be very bad. You can't even try to forgive your friends. But because we know Jesus Christ, He came to set us free, to give us hope, that is why we forgive. Even if you did bad word, even if you hurt, we have to forgive. So I've already forgiven them anyway. That is why I'm now free. But those days, what I think was really very bad about those people. So God has saved my life and I'm now free.